A yowl. Okay. Devil. Okay. Number 2. Rith Neil O'Connell a Machandoris nos Nagiha. So Neil O'Connell ran out the door like the wind. First of all, the word for wind is Angri. The wind, Angri. And of the wind is Nagiha. Okay. So the way he says like the wind, you say in Irish on the manner of the wind. Nos Nagiha. So nos is a manner or style. If you like Shannos music, you like music in the old style, Shannos. Okay. So Rith is ran, Neil O'Connell. Amach and Doris out the door. Okay. So Amach, if you just said Rith Neil O'Connell Amach, it means Neil O'Connell ran out. But Rith She Amach and Doris, he ran out the door. Okay. Nos Nagiha. Okay, so Rith Neil O'Connell Amach and Doris.
Rith Neil O'Connell Amach and Doris.
Nos Nagiha. Okay. How would you say he ran in like the wind? Ishtach. Nos Nagiha. Okay.
We pronounce that like Nagi or what?
Nagiha, yeah. Nagiha, yeah.
Do it again?
Nagiha.
Nagi?
Nagiha.
It's not like French like Navi. It's not the same.
Oh, French. Not French. Irish D's and G's. L. Yeah, when you have an AO next to it, or a lot of times the consonant that's next to it gets changed. So you say number 9, ni, yeah, yeah.
Just like French, just like la nuit. You mean 9 is like nuit?
Ni, yeah.
How we doing?
Exactly.
Hey, I've heard on tape.
It's not like French. It's not like French. It's a different sound. It's more like Russian. It's like a Russian hard consonant, if you know Russian. Okay. Number 3. Visha alahur toresha hoch agus vi kuig nomed ege hunandarta oil. So it was 8:30, and he had 5 minutes to catch the dart. Okay. So first of all, let's talk a little bit about time. So a good expression to know what time is it? Ken tame.
Ken tame.
Okay. So ken is really what is the tom is. Ken tom is what is the time, and a is it. So it's like something like what the time it. That's how you say it in Irish. Ken tame. You probably want to get that expression down pat. Okay, ken tame. And the way you answer what time it is, you say tashe it is.
Tashe.
And then usually the number, like 1 o'clock would be a hain is 1, and then you put on a chlug after it. So tashe a hain a chlug. It is 1 o'clock. Okay, so there's the that's used for that first there, used for numbers. It's what we use when we count our lessons here. So lesson number 1 was kacht a hain. Okay, and it's the same thing you use for counting the hours when you're telling what time it is. So a hain a chlug. Okay. Now if it's 2 o'clock, if you go down to C there, a do a chlug. 3 o'clock's a tree a chlug. 4 o'clock's a cahar a chlug. 5 o'clock a cuig a chlug. 6 o'clock a share a chlug. 7 o'clock a shacht a chlug. 8 o'clock a hocht a chlug. 9 o'clock a nui a chlug. 10 o'clock a jet a chlug. 11 o'clock a hain jeg a chlug. And 12 o'clock a do yeg a chlug. So we're on lesson 12, kacht a do yeg. And so you see a do yeg is the way you just say 12 when you're counting. And 12 o'clock a do yeg a chlug. Or it is 12 o'clock tashe a do yeg a chlug. Okay. Now if you want to say half past, then you say lahur is a half hour. Lahur. So it is a half hour after 8. Tashe a lahur taresha hoch. So tashe it is a lahur half hour. Taresh it means after a hoch 8.
Shanti, can you repeat 7, please?
Um,
The number
Oh.
7.
a shacht.
A shaft.
Okay, which is in the next one. A quarter past is a kahru tarish. Kahru is a quarter.
Teresh.
So it's a quarter past 7. Tasha a kahru tarish a shacht. And the word kahru comes from kahar 4. So tasha kahru tarish a shacht. Okay. Now, if you want to say a quarter to 9, the way you say the 2 part is hun. Okay. So it's a quarter to 9. Tasha a kahru hunani. Okay. So kahru hunani. If you want to say it's 5 after 9, then you say it's 5 after 9. Tasha a kuig is 5. Taresh is after a ni 9. Tasha a kuig taresh a ni. Okay. And if you want to say it's 10 to 11, you use the number 10, a je, and you use hun for until. So tasha a je hun a hinjeg. Okay. So before we go on, let's do a few times. Okay, so what time would it be here? Shach b'chlog. A shach b'chlog. Okay. How about here? A choch b'chlog. Okay. How about that one? Yeah, tree a chlog. Okay. How about that one?
Lahore Teresh a tree.
Lahur taresh a tree. A lahur taresh a tree. So let's do is I'm gonna actually do is go around the room on these. Okay. So this time I say ken tame and you say tashe, whatever time it is. So ken tame a chetzling.
Tashe shaktachlí.
A chlog. A chlog. Tashe a shacht a chlog. A wairanya ken tame.
Tashe
Ni.
ni oh Tashe
Ni a chlog.
niahu.
Ni a chlog. I guess. Huh? Oh, so okay. Okay. White red. Ken tame.
Tashe jeg.
Shaja a chlog. Okay. Dylan. Wargit. Ken tame.
Tashe hain jeg a chlog.
A hinjag a chlog.
Hain jeg a chlog.
I guess the Vandy can tame.
Tashe for a cloak.
Kahar a chlog. Okay. Robert can tame.
Tashe a lahur tresh kahar club.
Tasha lahur tersha kahar. Yeah, so you don't put the chlog on there.
Lahur tresh kahar.
Tasha a lahur teresha kahar.
Tashe a lahur tresh kahar.
It's a chetzling can tame.
Lahore Teresh a tree.
Okay, so tasha lahur teresha tree. Heather can tame. Kahru teresha tree.
Wait, can you say that?
Tasha a kahru teresha tree. Okay. I guess.
Tarish.
Gar can tame.
Tashe Katu shot.
Teresha shah. So tasha kahru teresha shah. Can tame young.
Tashe Karu Taresh
Mama, tasha kahru teresha hoch. I guess. Matthew Kintame.
Tashe Akafru Tara Do.
Today. Kahu Teresha Do. Agus. Pauline. You do a harder one.
But 245. Tasha,
Oh, that's sorry. Let's see. There.
Tasha, Catherine, Doe.
Tasha Kahu put a tree.
Twelve.
That's her fault. Tasha Kahu put a tree. Put a tree. Today.
That's true.
Yeah.